Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of quiz games in Python. Ever wanted to challenge yourself with your coding skills? Well, today's your chance. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by defining our questions and answers. Here we have a dictionary where the keys are the questions, and the values are their correct answers. We also have a list of options for each question. And we also have list of correct answers according to the answer number. Now that we have our basic things set up, let's move on to the game logic. I'll create a score variable to keep track of the user's score and display it at the end of the game. I'll set it to 0. Now we'll create a loop in which we'll use enumerate function to keep track of the index of each question and answer. For I. Inside the bracket, question, answer. In, enumerate. Questions, dot, items. Print, question. And print, options. At index I. Now we'll ask the user to input a number corresponding to their choice. User equals int input. Enter. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll compare the user's answer with the index of the correct option. If the user's answer matches the correct index, print correct, and increment the score by 1. If user is equals to correct answer at index I, print correct and increment the score by 1. Else print incorrect. The correct answer is answer. After iterating through all the questions, we'll print the user's final score. Print, I'll use F strings here, quiz, completed. Your score is. Inside the curly brackets, score. Out of. The length of questions. And there you have it. Our game is ready. Let's play this. What is the capital of France? Let's say 1 for lion, oops, it's incorrect. Which planet is known as the red planet? 1 for Mars, it's correct. Last question, what is the largest mammal in the world? 2 for blue whale. It's correct. Quiz completed, my score is 2 out of 3. In a summary, the quiz questions and their corresponding correct answers are stored in a dictionary named questions. The possible answer options for each question are stored in a list named options. Each item in the options list corresponds to a question from the questions dictionary. The correct answer index for each question is stored in a list named correct answer. The index represents the position of the correct answer within the options for each question. The score variable is used to keep track of the number of users' correct answer. The program iterates through each question in the questions dictionary using a for loop and the enumerate function. It prints each question along with its options. During each iteration of the loop, I represents the index of the current question. And question answer represents the current question and its corresponding correct answer. And we displayed the current question and its options using the print statement. The user is prompted to input their answer by selecting an option number 1, 2, or 3. The user's input is compared to the correct answer index for the current question. If the user's answer matches correct answer, it means the answer is correct, and the score is incremented by 1. Otherwise, the answer is incorrect, and the correct answer along with a message incorrect is displayed. After all questions have been answered, the program prints the user's score out of the total number of questions. Overall, this code allows users to take a multiple-choice quiz, provides immediate feedback on their answers, and displays their final score at the end. And that's it for today's tutorial on creating a quiz game in Python. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new, and also feel inspired to create your own interactive projects. Stay tuned for more Python tutorials coming your way. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.